Now, if we want to carry filtration in the lab, we have to follow a certain step. So, to filter a solution in the laboratory, a filter funnel is lined with a filter paper that has fine holes in it. First of all, we need this filter paper here. We have to get it and fold it into a cone shape like they are doing here. So, after we shape our filter paper into a cone shape, we need a funnel with a stand here. So, we have a funnel and the stand and the beaker. We put our filter paper inside it and then we pour the solution that we are aiming to separate. For example, here sand and water. The sand which remains on top of the filter paper is their residue, and the water that goes down through the filter paper is called the filtrate. So, the liquid that is collected down here, which is in this case water, it is the filtrate. This is how we can filter a solution. So again, we need a stand, a funnel, a filter paper, and a beaker. We have to fold the filter paper into a cone shape, and we can follow this procedure. What about crystallization? How can we follow up the setup of crystallization? The first step is to place our solution into an operation dish and heat it. But this time, we have to heat it more gently, so we use a water bath instead of a Bunsen burner. Some of the solvent will start to evaporate and you can see some crystals forming here. After we stop heating the solution and we leave it to cool, the solution will get more crystals because solids are less soluble at colder temperatures. Next, we need to filter these crystals in order to get them pure. These crystals will be filtered from the remaining solution using the filter paper and the funnel. And of course, we can dry these crystals from any remaining solvent on it by either leaving them somewhere warm or warming them up in an oven.